Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. All right, so we're doing a review of these AUTOONE HID Light 1 high voltage, high brightness, long lifespan, plug and play. These are the D2S. This is for my Infinity QX60. If you guys have these light bulbs, you've used them, drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know whether these are decent light bulbs or not. I don't have a problem with my light bulbs. They're pretty bright. They're pretty good. I was asked to do a review of this. I'm gonna pop these in, and we're gonna see. I did a lumens test of my bulbs. I think they're like the original bulbs that came with this vehicle, and well, I'm gonna do a lumens test with this and see whether it's as good or better than what came with the car. So I guess this is like an unboxing as well as a review. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna take out my old ones. I'm gonna put these in. These are D2 6000K. Hopefully they're as bright as the ones that I have. If you guys have a question, definitely leave a question in the comment section. If you guys have a comment on these, I don't think these are too expensive, to be honest with you. I looked these up. They're like anyway, I'm gonna drop a link and a description of these bulbs in the description section. A link in the description section. Anyway, had these around and just didn't get quite half the time to change them out because there were no issues with my light light bulbs. But in any case, we're gonna pop these in, and I'll give you guys a rundown, a lumens test of whether these are as bright as the bulbs that came with my car or not. All right, guys, so I don't know what the deal is, but oh my god, can't tell you how difficult it is to actually remove these. So this is the original bulb. This is a Philips 35 watt bulb. What else? These are, how many watts are these? DS2. Doesn't quite say, but I'm just gonna pop these in. Hopefully they'll work as good as the old ones, the Philips. They're about the same. They look the same, obviously. Hey, does anybody else have anxiety about changing light bulbs out these days? Oh my god. Used to be even just pop it in, pop it out. It's taking me so long just to... It's the clips that's holding the light bulbs in that's just absolutely a pain in the butt, because I can't see the clips. And they have it designed so many different ways. But I did turn on the light. It does look good, but oh man, these newer vehicles used to be light bulbs, like you're easy to get to, you turn, it's easy to pop them in, pop them out. Now you gotta go through a dust cap, and then you gotta turn the plug in. Oh my, and then the light bulb itself is so... Anyway, I'm just yapping, but I did get the right side in, but it's just a pain in the butt. Oh my god, screw Infinity for making the light bulb hub so big that if you lose a light bulb in there, it's gonna take you some time to get out. I mean, this light bulb right here is not magnetic. I've been using like magnets to try to get it out. This is somewhat magnetic. This isn't. Oh, I was gonna have to take the whole entire thing apart just to... Oh my god, how, like, it shouldn't be this difficult just to change out a light bulb, and they shouldn't have made the hub so big that this could actually just fall into the hub itself. It is I spent like the last 30 minutes trying to get this out. I fished this out, managed to get my hand in there to fish it out. It's ridiculous, guys. All right, I just had to put that rant out there because I'm like, just changing the light bulbs these days on these vehicles is not an easy thing. I'll tell you, this is all I got out here just to freaking try to get this guys. All right, on with the review. I'm absolutely flabbergasted. I'm just pissed off. I know I'm not the only one that did this as far as losing a light bulb inside the hub. Normally what happens is the hub is just a hub. I mean, you either can pop this in or you can't pop this in. They don't have spaces where it goes to any other crevice. It's a huge space. If you guys are doing these light bulbs, do not make sure that it's inside the little socket before you put this on, because if it's not, you lose it. You're gonna spend some time trying to find it, especially if these are not magnetic. And there's no part of this that's magnetic, which is crazy. Anyway, I was thinking, all right, I can't be the only one who's gone through this. I know this is a review on this product, but I gotta tell ya, they made the hub so big, I even lost the plug in there for a sec. Sorry, this is a review for the HD, these HD lights for the Infinity. So if you're doing this Infinity, I know I'm not the only one doing it. Like I don't have butterfingers. It's just the way it's set up. This is, I know, what is it called? You know, the engineering where they actually set up so that it makes it so difficult that you can't do it yourself, or that anyway, you guys know what I'm talking about. They make money off of this. It's a pain in the butt. All right, guys, so I got the headlights on. As you can see, I got the headlights on. I don't know if I'm gonna do a lumens test on this, but I'll tell you, they're pretty nice and decent. So I might do a lumens test on it later tonight. Put this video up after that. But you guys, yeah, stay. Yeah, guys. So they're pretty bright. Guys, so I just want to give you a final review on these light bulbs. They're a great price. They're really bright. I got a chance to drive around with it at night. They are as bright as the Philips. Now, I don't know how much the Philips are. I don't know if the Philips are more expensive, less expensive. I think the Philips might be more expensive. They're probably the light bulbs that actually came with the car. These light bulbs are just as good. I didn't get a chance to do a lumens test. Had a really long day. Just want to thank Auto. I think it's AUTOONE. Thank AUTOONE for sending me the light bulbs. Really appreciate it. They're great light bulbs for the price. Like I said, if you guys have any comments, questions, or if you guys have used this and like these or don't like these, or definitely like drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know the goods and the bads and all that stuff. Really would like to hear your comment. But I think I checked out the price. They're pretty decent. I think that like sounds like 25 bucks. Like these headlights like these, I think, I'm not quite sure, but I'm gonna put a link in the description section, and check them out if you guys want to check them out. But for the money, they're pretty decent. If you guys go to AutoZone, they're like 50, 60, 70 bucks a pair or something like that. So in any case, that's my review, guys. They're pretty bright. They're pretty good. I like the way they shine. I like the way they shine. Not that I actually, you know what? I actually like the way the Philips shine too, but these are pretty decent. So leave a comment. Please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. All that good stuff. Appreciate your time, guys. Take care.